Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. There's a popular saying, your eyes tell more than what words could say. Behind the most beautiful eyes lay secrets deeper and darker than the mysterious sea. Real beauty lies in the eyes. The eyes are the mirror of the soul, and so on. Our eyes are one of the most fascinating and complex parts of our body. How much do we really know about them and how they work? We rely on them every day, yet we do not give them much thought until something goes wrong and our vision is affected. Most people have eye problems at one time or another. Some are minor and will go away on their own or are easy to treat at home. Others need a specialist care. Whether your vision isn't what it used to be or never was that great, there are things you can do to get your eye health back on track. Anyone who reads for hours, works at a computer, or drives long distances will strain their eyes. It happens when you overuse your eyes. They get tired and need to rest, just like any other part of your body. If your eyes feel strained, give them some time off. If they are still weary after few days, check with your doctor. Do your eyes look bloodshot, and why? Their surface is covered in blood vessels that expand when they are irritated or infected. That gives your eyes the red look. Eye strain can do it, and so can a late night, a lack of sleep, or allergies. Red eyes could be a symptom of another eye condition like conjunctivitis or pink eye. For some people, is it hard to see at night, especially while driving? Is it tough to find your way around in dark places such as movie theaters? That sounds like night blindness. It's a symptom, not a problem in its own. Lack of vitamin A and all causes a type of night blindness that doctors can easily fix. Some people are born with this problem, or it might develop from a degenerative disease involving the retina. When one's eye doesn't develop properly, we call it as lazy eye. Vision is weaker in that eye and it tends to move lazily around while the other eye stays put. It's found in infants, children, and adults and rarely affects both the eyes. Treatment needs to be sought immediately for infants and children. Lifelong vision problems can be avoided if a lazy eye is detected soon. If your eyes aren't lined up with each other when you look at something, you could have strabismus. You might also hear it called crossed eyes or wall eye. This problem won't go away on its own. Sometimes you can go to a vision therapy with an eye doctor to help strengthen the weak eye muscles. When you can't see certain colors or you can't tell the difference between them, usually the reds and the greens, you may be color blind. It happens when the color cells in your eye, the doctor will call them as cone cells, are absent or they don't work. When it's most severe, you can only see in shades of gray. Your eye doctor can diagnose it with a simple test. There's no treatment if you're born with it, but special contacts and glasses can help some people tell the difference between certain colors. Then comes the inflammation of the uvea. That's the middle layer of the eye that contains most of the blood vessels. These diseases can destroy the eye tissue and even cause eye loss. People of all ages can have it. After age 40 or so, you may have to hold a book or other reading material farther away from your eyes to make it easier to read, sort of like your arms are too short. Reading glasses, contact lenses, laser eye surgery, and other procedures can be used to restore good reading vision. Say, for example, if you are having tiny spots or specks that float across your field of vision, this condition is called floaters. Most people notice them in well lit rooms or outdoors or on a bright day. Floaters are usually normal, but they sometimes can be sign of a more serious eye problem, right, like retinal detachment. If you notice a sudden change in the type or number of spots or flashes you see, or a new dark curtain in your peripheral vision, visit your eye doctor as soon as possible. Dry eyes happens when your eyes can't make enough good quality tears. You might feel like something is in your eye or it's like burning. Rarely, in severe cases, extreme dryness can lead to some loss of vision. If your dry eye problem is chronic, visit your doctor and he might prescribe you medicated drops to stimulate tear production. Sometimes you might be sensitive to light, wind, or temperature changes. Try to protect your eyes by shielding them or wearing sunglasses. Cataracts are cloudy areas that develop in the eye lens. Cataracts often form slowly. They don't cause symptoms like pain or redness or tearing in the eye. Your eye is like a small tire. Some pressure inside it is normal and safe, but levels that are too high can damage your optic nerve. Glaucoma is the name for a group of disease that causes this condition. A common form is primary open angle glaucoma. Most people who have it don't have early symptoms or pain, so it's important to keep up with your regular eye examinations. The retina is a thin lining on the back of your eye that is made up of cells that collect images and pass them onto your brain. Retinal disorders can damage the retinal cells and block this transfer. It's important to get an early diagnosis and have these conditions treated. Then comes conjunctivitis or pink eye. In this condition, tissue that lines the back of your eyelids and covers your sclera gets inflamed. It can cause redness, itching, burning, tearing, discharge, or a feeling that something is in your eye. People of all ages can get it. Causes include infection, exposure to chemicals, irritants, or allergies. Wash your hands often to lower your chance of getting it. The corneal diseases are very common. The cornea is the clear dome shaped window at the front of your eye. It helps to focus the light that comes in. Disease, infection, injury, and exposure to toxins can damage it. The main treatments are new eyeglasses or contact prescriptions, medicated eye drops, or surgery when required. Your eyelids do a lot for you. They protect your eyes, spread tears over its surface, and limit the amount of light that can get in. Pain, itching, tearing, and sensitivity to light are common symptoms of eyelid problems. You might also have blinking spasms or inflamed outer edges near your eyelashes. Treatment can also help you with medication or surgery. As you get older, you may find that you can't see as well as you once did. That's very normal. That's probably an indication that you need glasses or contacts. Do not take your eyes for granted. Take these easy steps to keep your peepers healthy. Eat well. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and collards, salmon, tuna, and other oily fish, eggs, nuts, beans, and other non meat protein sources. Oranges and other citrus fruits or juices can also help. Oysters and pork too. A well balanced diet also helps you stay at a healthy weight. That lowers your odds of obesity and related diseases like type 2 diabetes, which is the leading cause of blindness in adults. Quit smoking. It makes you more likely to get cataracts, damage to your optic nerve, and a macular degeneration, among many other medical problems. If you have tried to kick the habit before only to start again, keep at it. The more times you try to quit, the more likely you are to succeed succeed. Take the help of your doctor if required. Wear sunglasses. If you wear contact lenses, some offer UV protection. It's still a good idea to wear sunglasses for an extra layer. Use a safety eyewear. Look away from the computer screen. To protect your eyes, make sure your glasses or contact prescription is up to date and good for looking at the computer screen. If your eye strain won't go away, talk to your doctor about computer glasses. Move the screen so your eyes are level with the top of the monitor. That lets you look slightly down at the screen. Visit your eye doctor regularly. Everyone needs a regular eye exam, even young children. It helps protect your sight and lets you see your best. Now let's get into a rapid fire. I'm going to tell you 15 amazing facts about the eyes. Your eyes focus on 50 different objects every second. The only organ more complex than the eye is the brain. Your eyes can distinguish approximately 10 million different colors. It is impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. 80% of all learning comes through the eyes. Your eyes can detect a candle flame 1.7 miles away. Your iris, the colored part of your eye, has 256 unique characteristics. Your fingerprint has just 40. Heterochromia is the medical term for having two different colored eyes. Only 1/6 of your eyeball is visible. Your eyes are comprised of rods and cones. Rods allow you to see shapes, while cones are responsible for detecting and deciphering colors. The average person blinks about 12 times a minute. Hope you found this information useful. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel for more such health updates. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.